Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we have two super cool flying toys that are taking the market by storm. We'll be comparing the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Flying Fidget Spinner. These hand-controlled drones are perfect for both kids and adults who love high-flying fun. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. When it comes to flight performance, both the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Flying Fidget Spinner have some impressive features. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball features a gyroscope and smart eye chip that promises intelligent flight. It can create different flight lines and even perform a boomerang effect. On the other hand, the Flying Fidget Spinner adopts advanced sensor hovering technology, allowing it to intelligently sense height and distance. It can rotate smoothly in 360 degrees. Now let's talk about durability. Both the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Flying Fidget Spinner are made of high-quality materials. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is made of high-grade ABS material, which makes it lightweight and flexible, allowing it to withstand countless crashes. Its enclosed propellers also ensure the safety of the users. Similarly, the Flying Fidget Spinner is made of high-quality ABS material, providing flexibility and collision resistance. Battery life is always an important factor to consider when choosing a flying toy. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball offers a flying time of 8 to 10 minutes after a 25-minute full charge. It is USB rechargeable, making it convenient to charge anywhere. On the other hand, the Flying Fidget Spinner has a charging time of only 30 minutes and provides a decent flying time as well. Portability is another important aspect to consider, especially if you want to take your flying toy on the go. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is designed to be used both indoors and outdoors, making it a versatile option. It's perfect for backyard activities or even indoor fun. Likewise, the Flying Fidget Spinner is also highly portable, allowing you to carry it wherever you go without taking up much space. And there you have it, the comparison between the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Flying Fidget Spinner. Both products offer an exciting and fun flying experience, but they have their unique features that set them apart. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball stands out with its unique flight patterns and the boomerang effect, while the Flying Fidget Spinner impresses with its sensor hovering technology. Remember, it's important to consider your preferences and needs when choosing the perfect flying toy for you or your loved ones. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy flying!